Hey, Demi.
Hello, Katarina, and hello, Spanish translation class.
Okay, I'm going to ask you a couple questions about having immigrant parents.
Go on.
So both of your parents were born where?
My mother was born in Athens, Greece in 1964, and my father was born in Germany in 1963.
Okay, so...
But he's not German, he's Greek, but he was just born there.
Okay.
Yeah.
And when did your parents come here, to Canada?
My mom came here when she was 2 years old, alongside with her sister Maria. Her sister is a year older, so she was 3. My mom was 2. My grandmother was 32, and that would make my grandfather about 28, something like that.
And what about your dad?
My dad came here when he was about 21 years old. He came here to pretty much just see how the country was, and then met my mom at a wedding. They fell in love. And yeah, he stayed here. He doesn't want to stay here anymore, but he's still here.
Okay, so was it different in elementary school, for example, having parents that were born in a different country other than Canada compared to other classmates?
Oh, very much so.
In what way?
Growing up, my parents spoke Greek to us, right?
Yeah.
So we kind of learned Greek growing up, and when we were learning English through elementary school, my brother and myself, we were mixing up both languages, so it was kind of awkward to carry on a conversation with both Greek and English-speaking people. And it was very different because when I would go to a friend's house, how the kids I was growing up with, they would do something more freely, where our parents gave us a little bit more discipline. They were a little more strict, right? But it taught us a little better about life in general.
And could you give me an example of that? Like what kind of things do Canadian kids do a little bit differently?
Oh, for sure. And then off the bat, they're allowed to sleep over at their friend's house. I am 19 years old, and my mother still does not let me sleep over anywhere. I'm 19, I look like an ogre, I'm not allowed, but that's fine, right? No big deal.
Okay. And would you change that? Would you rather have Canadian parents, or do you appreciate and like that you have immigrant parents?
When you're a kid and your parents don't let you have your way, you're going to be fussy and be immature about it. But growing up and becoming a mature young adult, as I think I am, even though I'm not. But anyways, I thank them a lot for the teachings they gave me. I learned a lot growing up, and it'll help me be a parent as well from there, what they taught me, because they've been married for 25 years, and I've learned a lot every day as the days go by, and then every day is a new lesson. So God bless everybody.
And what was your favorite memory growing up from having them being immigrants? Any embarrassing stories?
Oh, there's too many to even call them embarrassing. I don't know.
And lambs in the backyard.
Yeah, we would kill lambs. Well, we wouldn't kill the lambs. In Greece, we would kill the lambs. That's one thing, actually. My parents, even though we live in Canada, I was born in Canada, my parents would always, work hard for us to go to Greece and, visit the family there. We have lots of family in Greece. We'd see everybody, and, my grandparents lived there on my dad's side. So we would see there, and just lots of memories there and stuff like that. There's one memory where me and my dad were in the ocean, and there was a big rock climbing thing in the ocean, right? And I'm a hefty fellow, right? So I couldn't get up. I mean, I tried for the life of me, and it wasn't happening. As he was trying to get up, a little girl fell on his head, and he fell, and he made a noise, you know what I mean? I died. I laughed too hard, I almost died. And it was pretty funny, but it's like the little things like that, you had to been there to see how funny it was, but yeah, it was pretty good.
All right. So overall, you love your parents for being immigrants.
Pretty much. I have a kick of it every day. I go to school and I'll make fun of my dad, how he talks, how he burps. I make fun of my mom. It's great. It's just having fun. They make fun of me. I make fun of them. It's just a love in the end.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Demi.
Anytime.
Bye.
Hey,